everyone. I'm representing my project on compiler construction, that is on Minicompiler, and it has been submitted by 8 SEM BTech CC students, that is MONIKA, BAIRWA, Anshul Tyagi and Vinita Shukla. In this project we have shown how the C code is converted into the assembly code, and this project has been submitted our respected faculty Ms. Priyanka Punjabi, and has been created under her guidance and her support. So this is a basic abstract. So this project will assemble the C code into the assembly. It will include the various .h, .exe, .c files which are used to execute the compiler. So this project is basically focuses on the design and implementation issues for generating an assembly code. For this, the assembly routines that I have read and attached in the end can be used with MSM to generate machine code. MSM is also a type of software, and it's a type of exe file which will use to generate the target code. A program that translates from low-level language to high-level language is a decompiler, and a program that translates the high-level language into the source, that is machine language, it is a compiler. So language rewriter is usually a program that translates the form of expression without a change of language. A compiler is likely to perform many or all of the following operations: lexical analysis, pre-processing, parsing, semantic analysis, code generation, and code optimization. So this is the basic introduction of our project. The name compiler is primarily used for programs that translate source code from a high-level programming language to a low-level language. A compiler is likely to perform many or all of the following operations: lexical analysis, pre-processing, parsing, semantic analysis, code generation, and code optimization. So this basically focuses on the conversion from one language to the another language. Many of the compilers are used just to convert the high-level language into the low-level language. Our compiler is also used to convert the high-level language into the low-level language, but in this we are converting the one code to the another code. That is, we are using basically the assembly code, because assembly code is much more simpler to execute for the system. So that's why we are converting the every language codes to the machine code, to the assembly code. So this is the basic assembling of our project and how the project will run. So it will assemble the C code into the assembly code, and it will include the different attachments with MSM to generate the machine code. The description is, it includes the different type of .h, .cpp, .ax and .txt files. So, and the main .cpp file will include the our main compiler code, and .txt file, text file .txt will contain the code which will use to execute into the main compiler code. So whatever code you want to translate from one language to another, you have to write that code into the text file .txt. So how this project will run and how it will execute. So there are certain steps that I have mentioned. That first you have to start the main.exe file, then you have to enter the file name that you want to compile. That, for example, I am using a text file.txt. And if there are any errors in your program, then it will generate the target code file that is in the same directory where Minicompiler is copied. Assemble the code with any assembler to generate machine code. For input-output statement, I have write assembly routines for decimal, hexadecimal, and octave binary form. So this is a basic flow chart that we have actually used and followed. The C source files are the input, and it goes to the C compiler where it is pre-processed with the header files. Then it goes to the parser, and then it goes to the code generator where the actual code is generated, the output code is generated. Then it produces the ASM, that is the assembly source file. This is the overview of the project and how the project will flow and work. Now I will show you the actual implementation of the code. So this is the files that I mentioned earlier also. This is the text file.txt. It will include the different type of code which you want to convert from one language to another language. So this is the C code that I have written, in which I have used many loops and print hello world in the C language. Now will this convert this file into the assembly language using our main file. Now it's asking us for the file name. Now we'll mention the file name. Then press enter. C. the text file.c has been converted into the assembly code. So that is the main target of our program, and that has been converted. You can also see that hello world is written, which was written there in the C code, but here it is written in the assembly code. So that's the whole program. So thank you.